Good morning. I wanted to stand behind this because thank you two gentlemen for moving this out here, and none of us are going to use it. So I felt the need to stand behind that and make them feel good about their stuff. So I really felt called to talk to you today about what I have learned from teaching Tai Chi, right? There may be a chapter in a book or two about that, right? And some information, but we realized very quickly that as an instructor, I am really just on the journey with our participants, right? That I am learning as much as they are, and sometimes even more. I learn about myself, I learn about them, I learn about the environment, I learn about whatever we're working on for that day, and I learn about the world, right? So we realize we're just on the journey together. One of the things I realized early on is that my participants are a reflection of me. Right? So self-disclosure, I carry my stress in my neck and shoulders. So I have a tendency to do this, and then I get this involved, right? Right? And so, TCA starts to look like, ugh. And when I look out and I look at my producer, I'm like, well, that's not the way Dr. Lamb looks on the video, right? And then one day I caught myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my Lord, it's me they're following. And not only matching, but because they want to impress, they exaggerate, right? So remember that they're a reflection of you and what you're giving them. And then I become a reflection of them, and we're in a relationship together through that reflection back and forth, right? And it's not only practically, physically, but as Robin touched on, it's emotionally, right? So if I come in and I'm slamming my bag and I can't get the projector to work or whatever it is, and that's the attitude I bring to the room. That's the attitude that the room will take during that time, right? And that's not what they came for, right? They didn't come for all my stuff. They came for a happy, cheery Mike, right? So I learned very quickly I have to leave all my world at the door as well and give them everything I had, because they came to get 100% of all the positivity I have to give them. And that's what we're here to do, right? And in that reflection portion, what we also get to reflect is permission. You see, in that space that we create, that safe space we create, we allow each other to be our authentic, individual, unique self, right? So if I become my individual, authentic, unique self. I did wear pants today, by the way, if you didn't notice. Oh yeah, right. Usually I don't wear pants. I wear a kilt, ladies and gentlemen. I wear a kilt. Yeah. And so, but when I am my authentic self, that gives you permission to be your authentic self, to express who you truly are. And then we learn to live in this world together, expressing and being and acknowledging and enjoying each other in a space that's created for that. And that comes through our practice of Tai Chi, right? Giving that permission to be authentically ourselves. And in that authenticity, we can really ask the question we need. And it's not so much a what question, it's a why question. Why do I teach Tai Chi? And it's because I believe that we can change the world through it, right? I can change me through Tai Chi. In fact, later on I could tell you stories about how Tai Chi has changed me. And I've walked with hundreds of people that Tai Chi has changed them. And then together, as we share our authentic selves, we go out and change the world, right? And I believe that to be true. That's why I do what I do. And the why, if we focus on the why, the what that we should be doing will become apparent. We just need to focus on the why and to realize that not only can we change the world, but we do with every Dantian breath that we take, right? And we change in every relationship, in every encounter that we have. We have all been changed 1,000 times already this week, and we'll change 1,000 times more, right? Before I left, I have a 12-year-old daughter, and she's into musicals and dancing, and she told me that the trailer for Wicked 2 came out. Woo! We get to see how it ends. Woo! I'm melting, right? Now, spoiler alert, at the end of Wicked, the two main characters kind of resolve their relationship, right? And they do it in song because it's a musical, right? And the final refrain kind of goes, I don't know if I've been changed for the better because I knew you, but because I knew you, I have been changed for good.